Hello everybody. In this video we are going to discuss the difference between signs and symptoms. Let's start with signs. Signs are conditions that are noted by the examiner and they can be verified. For example, high or low blood pressure, high or low heart rate, etc. Symptoms, on the other hand, are reported by the patient and they cannot be physically verified as they are internally felt by the patient. Examples of symptoms are nausea, headache, chills, tiredness, etc. A trick to keep in mind that symptoms are felt by the patient is that symptoms has the letter P in it, and P helps you keep in mind that symptoms are felt by the patient. I hope this video was able to help clarify the difference between signs and symptoms. That's all we have for today. Thank you.